Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Humble Master Prince of Beautifully and Wabu Igbo made easy. So today I just want to do a very brief recap of things we did last week. I started showing something to you guys. I know you've been seeing it, the thing that has the animated picture with the Igbo English written word and only Igbo sounds. So only Igbo sound, no English sounds with it. But then there's the English meaning written there. So the last one we had was Kwara Onwegi Aka. Kwara Onwegi Aka is clap for yourself. Kwara Onwegi Aka, clap for yourself. And it can be sarcasm, like when you tell somebody, clap for yourself. And you know, it can be correct, like clap for yourself, you know, that was great. Clap for yourself. I think I have to be a child for you to tell me clap for yourself, you know. Yeah. So what if I don't want to say clap for yourself? Maybe I'm having a party or something and somebody just made a performance, and I want to say clap for him, clap for her. So Kora onwegi aka. You're not gonna say Kora onweya aka, you will say Kora ya aka. And if I want to say, oh, I'm so smart, or in a lighter mood, and I want to say clap for myself, clap for me, I'll say Kora maka. You know, maybe I told a joke or I did something and I say Kora maka, you know, clap for me, just on a lighter mood and all of that. You can just say Koram aka. So Kora onwegi aka, clap for yourself. And if you're able to say core, because I have students from one-on-one and the KUO is usually where the challenge is with the pronunciation. So core, and you just have a simple sound of ra, kora. Then you have onwe, gi. Onwegi is yourself. Onwegi, yourself. Then aka is hand. So ko is like clap. Then you have hand, which is aka. Clap for yourself, hand. Kora onwegi aka. Okay, the next one that we had before that was ndewo onyena. Or this is taking a telephone call. You know, when you take a call, you want to say ndewo. Ndewo is hello, like we established previously. Ndewo is hello, ndewo is hi, ndewo is you know, hello, hi, and an icebreaker. So you just say hello, hey, what's up, hi, hello, ndewo. Ndewo is a greeting. Then you say onye na apo. Onye is who, na is. Apo is calling. So onye na apo, who is calling. You may want to say onye na bom, like who is calling me. So onye na bom, who is calling me. Just add an to it and you have who is calling me. Maybe someone is calling your son or calling your daughter or calling a friend of yours, and somebody came and said somebody's calling him. You said onye na oya, onye na ya. Once you add ya where you had you're saying who is calling him, or you're saying who is calling her, or you're saying who is calling it. Ya in Igbo is him, ya in Igbo is it, ya in Igbo is her. So onye na oya is who is calling him, who is calling her, who is calling it. Capiche? Odima. Let's look at the one before that. Anaima wata. Now, very interestingly, I gave the translation of that to be I don't understand. I wrote I am lost, because I don't understand is not really anaima wata. I don't understand is our time, like I did not understand you, our time, you know. I am not understanding, you know, is something continuous, like I'm still not getting you, I'm not understanding what you're saying, I'm still not flowing what you're saying, I'm still lost, you know, I'm lost. You're trying to say something, I'm lost. It's not lost as in the literal sense of I lost my way, I missed my way. I missed my way is ifrumozo, or ifrumefu is I'm lost, but you can't fu except to your child. You know, you can't get lost except to your child. But if you missed your way, you say ifrumozo. That is, I missed my way, and that can be told you. But this I'm lost is like I'm lost. I don't get you. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not. What are you trying to say? Like I'm lost. You know. So I'm not following. And if you're not following, it means you're lost. So The next one would be, okay, what if you're not lost? You said anam aota, anam aota, anam aota, anam aota. I'm following, you know. I understand is aotaram, aotaram. I understand. I don't understand is aotaim, aotaim. I understand aotaram, aotaim, you know. And if aotaim, you will have to start over again. If anaima aota, it means you have to change your approach because I'm just not getting you. Okay, the one before that, nke bụ nke ahụ ụzọ bụ obi dị m ụtọ izute gị. Obi dị m ụtọ izute gị is pleased meeting you. It's a pleasure to meet you, nice meeting you, and all of those complimentary greetings you say to someone after you have met them and exchanged pleasantries. So after I've met you, my name is Prince, I'm Prince, give this, obi dị m ụtọ izute gị. Obi is heart, dem is, ụtọ is sweet, izute is to meet, then gi is you. So if I say obi dị m ụtọ, I'm saying I am happy. That is how we say we are happy in Igbo. So to be happy is obi ịdị ụtọ. So if I'm saying obi dị m ụtọ, I'm saying I am happy. Obi dị gị ụtọ, you are happy. Maybe you're excited and I come, obi dị gị ụtọ taa. What's happening? Ka ihe mere obi dị gị ụtọ taa, you know? You're happy today, you're excited today. So you are happy, you are excited. Excited, happy is obi dị ụtọ. So obi dị m ụtọ, I am happy. Obi dị ya ụtọ, he is happy. Obi dị ha ụtọ, they are happy. Obi dị anyị ụtọ, we are happy. So I can say obi dị anyị ụtọ taa, we are happy today. Obi dị anyị ụtọ izute gị. Obi dị anyị ụtọ izute gị. We are happy to meet you. We are happy. We are pleased to meet you. So obi dị anyị ụtọ izute gị. Obi dị m ụtọ izute gị. Obi dị ụtọ izute gị. Obi dị ha ụtọ izute gị. We are happy to meet you, and all of that depending on the pronoun that you chose. And if you're still not acquainted with the Igbo personal pronouns, maybe you should check my channel, my YouTube channel, and you see the lesson I did on Igbo personal pronouns. So when you know the pronouns, you can be able to just, Igbo is quite simple. You don't have to worry about tenses. There is no is, are, was. All of it is bo. Bo is, bo is, was, bo is, are. So you don't have to worry about singular, plural, person. When it's singular, when it's plural, you don't have to worry about that. It's the same sentence. The same thing you're saying for I is the same thing you're saying for you, is the same thing you're saying for we, is the same thing you're saying for them. All you have to change is the words that mean I, mean you, mean them, mean us. So once you switch those words, you're good. So it's that simple working with Igbo personal pronouns, and I hope you just take advantage of it and be able to create more sentences with the few one-word phrases, one-line phrases we drop for you daily. Okay. Gịnị bụ? Oh, gịnị ka iyi ihe ahụ? Gịnị ka iyi ihe ahụ? Gịnị ka iyi ihe ahụ? What are you wearing? My mom said that a lot. My mom says that a lot. Gịnị ka iyi ihe ahụ? What are you wearing? Like, what are you wearing? You know, gịnị ka iyi ihe ahụ? So, gịnị is what? Gịnị ka is what are. I is you. Gịnị ka I? What are you? What are you? Gịnị ka I? I can say gịnị ka I na eme. Na is the word for doing. Is for doing. Gịnị ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? Gịnị ka ị na-eri? What are you eating? Gịnị ka iji? What are you holding? Gịnị ka ị chọrọ? What do you want? So gịnị ka ị, what do you, what do you? And here we have gịnị ka iyi ihe ahụ. What are you wearing? What's that you're wearing? What's that thing you're wearing? What's that thing you're wearing? So gịnị ka iyi ihe ahụ. That is it. Okay, oh. Gịnị ka ị na-eche? Gịnị ka ị na-eche? Animated by my favorite stars from Desperate Housewife, Eva Longoria, former Packer, Eva Longoria, I guess Eva Longoria, yes. So gini kineche, what are you waiting for? And I want to ask, for those of you that have not subscribed to my channel, YouTube tells me 75% of you watch this channel and you are not subscribed. And I'm not talking of all time, I'm talking of monthly statistics. Like 75% of the people watching this channel, people who watch the channel, who give the highest watch, are not subscribed. What are you waiting for? Gini kineche, you know, you love the lessons, you come back month after month, and you're not subscribed to the channel. Gini kineche, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. You know, it doesn't cost money to subscribe. Membership may cost you $1 or $2, but subscription is free, and you do that to encourage us. Yeah, you encourage us. When you see new people join the channel, you think, oh, maybe I should just make something more for them, you know. But when it's the same people, you think, okay, I think this people have learned, or okay, this people are learning. So do something, encourage the channel, and give that subscribe and thumbs up to the channel. So gini kineche, what are you waiting for? It's still the same gini ka e, so I'm not going to go into all the detail again. Odima. Kachifo, really, we've done Kachifo a lot. Beautiful Cinderella, she animated that post for us. Kachifo is good night, Kachifo. And your response to Kachifo is Kachifo. Now, some other people don't say Kachifo because of dialect. Some say Kachibo, and Kachibo is perfect too. My dialect says Kachibo. Kachibono is when you're saying to more than one person. So when you're saying to one person is Kachibo. When they're more than one person, Kachibono. And when someone says Kachibo to you, you reply to them Kachibo. If they say Kachifo to you, you reply to them Kachifo. So Kachifo and Kachibo are all correct, but the central Igbo is Kachifo and then Kachibo. My maternal place doesn't even say Kachibo. My maternal place says Kachihon. Kachihon. Kachihon if you are somewhere around Olu, somewhere around Umuawa, somewhere around Owerri Ebiri. My maternal home is Owerri Ebiri. So if you're somewhere around there, you know it's Kachihon, not Kachifo or Kachibo. But Central Olu thereabouts has Kachibo and all of that. So if you want to tell it to more than one person, Kachibono, you know, good night everyone. If you want to tell it to more than one person with Kachifo, you see Kachifono. That's good night everyone. But one person, Kachifo. Daalụ. Okay. Okay, what do we have here next? This is so sweet, and I loved this. Daalụ maka ihe niile, Daalụ maka ihe niile. On the 21st of February was my birthday, and I received a lot of messages, a lot of appreciation, and a lot of birthday greetings and shout out. And I want to say Daalụ maka ihe niile to every one of you who reached out to me, especially my students from the one-on-one. So Daalụ maka ihe niile. Thank you for everything. Daalụ is thank you. Then there is maka. Maka is for. Ihe niile is everything. So ihe niile is everything. So Daalụ maka ihe niile. In Spanish that will be gracias por todo. Gracias por todo. Daalụ maka ihe niile. And I don't know why I brought that in. How did Spanish enter my Igbo lesson? Okay, yes, that's fine. Odema, anamamu, utese asu Spanish. So learning how to speak Spanish and putting all of that together is beautiful. Language is just beautiful. I just love it. I tried exploring Chinese because I had these students with me who were struggling really bad with making some Igbo sound, and I can't relate with the struggle to make sounds from Spanish anymore because I've been around Spanish for a while and I think I'm comfortable making some of their sounds apart from the that you have to say with the back of your throat. But I don't do that because I sing, so I don't want to coerce my voice and all of that. But then I learned you can get away with it with just doing your H instead most of the time. So if I could get away with it and still sound good, I don't think I want to just, you know, do that to my voice. It sounds abrasive and ugly, even though it's sweet to hear, but ugly. to feel, so I don't want to do it. Then I couldn't relate to difficulty with sounds from there, so I didn't actually take a course. I just tried to see all this Chinese teaching tutorial thing, and I just wanted to see, okay, how do you say some things in Chinese? Ni han pian lin, won han shy, won han shy, won han shy, won han shy. I think I learned that one. Won han shy. I'm very handsome. Won han shy, won han shy. Ni han pian lin, and all of that. But they were the very difficult sounds, and I understand where people can be when they're trying to learn a sound, all of that. But what I want to say to you in passing is, don't let anything discourage you from speaking a language, not even getting the sound. You can never sound like a native Igbo speaker, like perfectly. You can never sound like me, perfect native Igbo speaker. You can't sound like me if you're native India, native American, or something like that. You'd never sound native like me, especially when you're not even living here to begin with. Then it's just like thinking of me sounding like a pure native American, or let me say a British. I want to make a British accent. How do I even do that? See, so I can get very good with my sound of English, but I'm never even aiming. It's not like a goal. I don't have it like a goal. It's not like a goal. It's not something I'm working towards to sound like a Native American. I think it's not even right. You see, nobody should have such goals, because language now belongs to everybody. There is the Nigerian English, there is the American English, there is the Ghanaian English, you see. So it's just the same way with Igbo. There is the Igbo of Onyocha, and there's the Igbo of Onyibo. So be comfortable with who you are. Just try to be understood, sound understandable. When you make sentences, let people be able to just know that this is what you're trying to say, but not that you should be pressured to sound like an Igbo person. And don't feel like when you're told you are not sounding exactly like an Igbo person, you feel like it's uncomplimentary. It's not uncomplimentary. It's not criticism. It doesn't have to be. You don't have to sound like an Igbo person exactly. You are white, Asian, Hispanic. I'm trying to find the other places, because I have people from different places learning Igbo. So be yourself and just speak Igbo the way you can. Odema. Then the last one that I did for us is Ahụrụ gị n'anya. Ahụrụ gị n'anya is I saw you in the eye, and that is like saying I love you. I love you. Ahụrụ gị n'anya, I love you. And that's the way we say I love you. So I'm just gonna end with saying Ahụrụ gị n'anya. Maybe I'll do some compilation of words that are used for love, ịhụnanya, and pet names, Obim, Odim, Nobi, Otobim, and all those names that you can call for people in a relationship, married, couple, and all of that. Maybe you just want to have something. I want to do that for Valentine's Day, but I'm not so much a Valentine person, so I'm just gonna find a neutral occasion and do a compilation of that word for you. So until the next time I come your way, my name is Ahambo, Mazi Prince Obiekule. Daalụ. Uche gị dị ya. Uche gị dị ya.